called and spoke to Deacon Marty, and I said, I am not artistic at all. And he says, you will have no problem doing this course. Come, you will enjoy it. And I have thoroughly enjoyed it. It's spiritual, and I did not come into it thinking that. I feel very uplifted. I've learned a lot, and Veronica's an outstanding teacher. She's a wealth of information.
This is Veronica Royal from the Royal Icon Studio. I am so excited to be at St. Pius again, May 18th to the 22nd, and we will have a choice between two icons. One, Our Lady of Walsingham, and the other, a modern rendition of the Nativity icon from the Kiev School in Ukraine. It will be a prayerful, beautiful time, also giving glory to God. I hope to see you then.
I say give it a shot. It's a lot of fun. Not only is Veronica great, but the classmates are as well.